So in this session, we are continuing with the addition of elements. So in this case, I require that I'll be inserting a new flower, say Daisy, right? So I'll be inserting a new flower name called Daisy, and I require the element should be included in the first position before tulip, right? So what I have to do in that case, in the append method, we find that the element has been added at the end of the list, end of the element, last element, right? So in this case, I require the position where I require the element to be inserted, right? So in this case, you can use then method called insert method, right? So in this case, I type flower is the variable, flower dot insert, insert is a method, and I require the flower daisy to be inserted before tulip. So I put the element, since we know that the elements begins with 0, the index number I put as 0 comma, and within the single quotes I type daisy. Daisy is a flower name, and enter. Then I just print the variable called flower, and we'll be checking it whether it works. Yes, now it is working, right? In this previous list, you find that you have the tulip, the element with 0 index number starts with tulip. In this case, you find the element number 0, which begins as the daisy. So in this way, you can work with the position addition, right? So position where you require the elements to be added in a particular position. For that, you should know the index number of the elements, so it becomes easy for you to do that.